In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in the Gmail app on your Android phone. First, make sure you have the Gmail app installed and that you're signed in to your Google account. On most Android phones, Gmail comes pre-installed, and you'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Go ahead and tap the Gmail icon to open it. When the app opens, you'll be taken to your inbox, where you can see your received emails. To start writing a new email, look for the Compose button. This is usually a circular button with a plus sign or a pencil icon, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that, and it will open a new message window. At the top, you'll see the To field. This is where you type the email address of the person you want to contact. Start typing their address, and if they're in your contacts, Gmail will suggest matches you can tap to fill it in quickly. You can add more than one recipient by separating addresses with commas or by tapping the Add Recipient option if it appears. Below that, you'll see the subject line. Tap on the subject field and type a short summary of what your email is about. Keeping this clear and specific helps the person you're emailing understand your message at a glance. Next is the main body of the email, the large blank area where you'll type your message. Tap inside that space and start writing what you want to say. You can write as much as you need. If you make a mistake, just use the backspace key to correct it, like you would in any other typing app. If you want to attach a file, such as a photo or a document, look for the paperclip icon or the attachment option, usually near the top of the screen. Tap it, choose where your file is stored, then select the file you want to send. Wait a moment for it to attach before continuing. When you're happy with your email, take a quick moment to double-check the recipient's address, your subject, and your message. Once everything looks good, tap the Send button, which is typically a small arrow icon at the top right. After you tap Send, your email will be delivered, and you'll be taken back to your inbox. That's all there is to it. You've just sent an email using the Gmail app on your Android phone.